Hey guys, it's Alyssa from Online Fabric Store. Today I'm going to show you how to make these beach cover-up pants. They can be matched with just about any top, so let's get started.
The materials you will need are 2 yards of a rayon fabric, I'm using crushed shimmer fabric, a Dritz loop turner, a ruler, pins, chalk or a fabric marker, thread, scissors, and a sewing machine. Pre-wash and iron your fabric. I'm going to be making a medium-sized cover-up, but measurements can be modified to fit very easily. I'll estimate the approximate size of a small and a large in our Maker's Mill post. Cut out 2 pieces of fabric that are 32 by 40 inches. Also, cut out 4 strips that are about 1 inch by 12 inches. Sew the 4 strips lengthwise with right sides together. At the end of the strip, turn the piece so you sew the end closed. Then, flip them all right side out with the Dritz loop turner. Place your 2 rectangles on top of each other with right sides facing. Fold the pieces in half on the short sides. Mark 1 inch from the fold and then 13 inches down. Cut down the 1 inch mark for the first 10 inches. Then, slowly make your way to the fold at an angle at the last 3 inches. Unfold the pieces and pin them together along the edge that you just cut. Sew with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. The seam that you just sewed is the crotch of the pants, so fold the pants accordingly. It's easier to sew the rest of the edges if you're looking at the pants this way. Fold and pin all the edges in 2 times so you hide the raw edge. Pin the strips on the inside of the hem on each side of the hips. Sew around the edges of the pants. You can finish the inside seam with a serger, a zigzag stitch, or pinking shears. I wanted to make a super simple shirred top to go with my pants. And if that's what you want, then see our How to Make a Smocked Tube Top tutorial for details.
And now your bathing suit cover-up is complete. Thanks for watching this OFS project. Like and subscribe to our channel for more crafting videos, tips, and tricks. See you next time.